Welcome to our comprehensive guide to plant-based diets. In this video, we'll discuss everything you need to know about vegan and vegetarian nutrition, including the benefits of a plant-based lifestyle, tips for transitioning to a plant-based diet, and meal plans and recipes to help you get started. Plant-based diets are becoming increasingly popular worldwide, with more and more people choosing vegan or vegetarian for various reasons. Some people opt for plant-based diets for their numerous health benefits, such as the lower risk of heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and some types of cancer. Others may adopt a plant-based lifestyle for ethical reasons, such as animal welfare concerns, or environmental causes, such as reducing their carbon footprint. Whatever your reasons for considering a plant-based diet, it's essential to understand the basics of vegan and vegetarian nutrition to ensure you get all the nutrients your body needs. One of the most important things to consider when transitioning to a plant-based diet is ensuring enough protein. Many protein sources, including belly protein, are only found in animal products, but few plant-based pea beans, lentils, tofu, tempeh, nuts, and seeds. Another essential nutrient to consider is iron. While iron is commonly associated with red meat, there are plenty of plant-based sources of iron, such as leafy green vegetables, legumes, fortified cereals, and dried fruit. To help your body absorb iron from plant-based sources, it's important to pair them with foods that are high in vitamin C, such as citrus fruits, bell peppers, and broccoli. Calcium is another nutrient commonly associated with dairy products. Still, there are plenty of plant-based sources of calcium. Excellent great plant-based calcium sources include fortified non-dairy milk, tofu, leafy green vegetables, and almonds. In addition to this, but ensures you're getting enough vitamin B12, primarily found in essential animal products. While there are some plant-based sources of vitamin B12, such as fortified nutritional yeast and plant-based milk, you must speak with your healthcare provider about whether or not you should consider taking a B12 supplement. Now that we've covered the basics of vegan and vegetarian nutrition, let's discuss some tips for transitioning to a plant-based diet. One of the easiest ways to transition to a plant-based diet is by replacing animal product-based alternatives. For example, swap out meat for beans or tofu in your favorite recipes. You can also experiment with new plant-based recipes and ingredients to find new favorites. Meal planning can also be a great tool when transitioning to a plant-based diet. Planning your meals can help ensure you get all the nutrients your body needs and save you time and money in the long run. Plurisource resource was available to help you with your plant-based journey, including cookbooks, online recipe websites, and YouTube channels. We hope this comprehensive guide to plant-based diets has provided you with the information and resources to make informed nutrition and lifestyle choices. Remember, transitioning to a plant-based diet can take time and patience, so don't be too hard on yourself if you encounter challenges. Remember the numerous benefits a plant-based diet can offer, and stay motivated by exploring new recipes and discovering fresh plant-based foods benefits. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos on health and nutrition.